Hi friends, I'm so glad that you found our YouTube channel. I'm the Reverend Jill Olds, the director of the Yale Youth Ministry Institute, and we are so glad to be able to welcome you to this virtual space of resource sharing. We invite you to hit the big red button underneath this video that says subscribe, and also click on the little bell that shows up after you subscribe. That will allow you to be notified when we upload new content to this channel. We have a number of resources on here for you. We invite you to take a look, especially at the playlist section, which is categorized according to our guest speakers. So there are a number of clips and lectures on there on youth ministry subjects ranging from things like anti-racism conversations to resilience with youth to ministering to LGBTQ youth. We really run the gamut. So please do check out those playlists. And if you're looking for more resources, we invite you to hop on over to our website. That's yaleyouthministryinstitute.org. And if that still is not enough for you, please feel free to email me if you're looking for something else. You can find me at jill.olds, O-L-D-S, at yale.edu. Thanks. We hope you enjoy this channel, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.